a tribute to my sons Tomme, Michael, and Max, who've gone to see Jesus. Tommy's Forever Young Coleman YouTube channel, Stunners 8. Our favorite horses to ride, the Max Victory Pose. Billy Ocean was shocked that Max knew all his songs. Max played 4 instruments. We had a ball. Full Flowers for Wonderful Men. This is Mike playing in the band in 8th grade. Tomme, Michael, and his daughters, my grandbabies. Me and Max like tennis. Do that again. Face me. Face me. I teach all my kids Coleman beauty. Tomme, Michael skiing in Vermont. Max and Billy Ocean. This is Max eating his cheeseburger. Now you'll never guess where we're sitting. That's his dad's house right over there. Okay? And as the last bit of time with me, he decides to munch it. He's eating it in his dad's house. He's going to eat it in the back seat there. That's him right there. This is me and Max. And this is Max and his Opa, who is 91. There he is, part of my contest prep team. All my children that I love and that love me were child bodybuilders. Tommy Lath, Tommy Renee, Tommy Kale, and Tomme Michael. And Tommy Noel, who was also a teenage bodybuilder. They were all teenage bodybuilders. The great saunter around New York, 34 miles. Max, just cool. I think this was Tobias's birthday that we were celebrating. Tomme Michael, when he was a baller. Also training through COVID. Maximilian, 14, 8th grader. Getting his presses in with 30. Tommy's Forever Young Coleman store, coming soon. Six-pack Max, 18. Tomme, 76. Palsy wowsies. Max deadlifting 235. Max, I want you to clean
Max
this
got
weight
jokes
here for me, would you? Okay. Oh, no, not that kind of clean. No. This kind of clean. Go. Clean and presses. Good. This is NJ. We go to his salon, me and Max, to get our hair done. Renee sends her love, Max. We all loved Max. Cube steak and watermelon lunch. Smile. Act like you're not having fun. Are you having fun?
It's all right.
It's all right. That's good. You did a good job. Good.
Not done yet.
My van looks shiny. Happy birthday, Max. Welcome to manhood. So glad we got to be men together. Big Mike did real estate for a living. My son Mike, beside being a model, played guitar. It's kind of ironic that the last song that Max and I played and practiced together was Forever Young.
May you stay forever young. May God bless and keep you always. May your wishes all come true. May you always do for others and let others do for you. May you build a ladder to the stars and climb on every rung. And may you stay forever young. Forever young. Forever young. May you stay forever young.
Are you on verse 2?
So should I go to the next verse?
I guess so.
Okay. Go. May you grow up to be righteous. May you grow up to be true. May you always know the truth and see the light surround you. May you always be courageous. Stand up right and be strong. And may you stay forever young. May God bless and keep you always. May your wishes all come true. May you... What the heck is this?
What?
Sorry, look at this
Ads?
advertisement just popped up.
Do it again.
She is a runaway girl. She's the one I like best in this world. She got a big, big, big pocketbook full of cash. I like it when we jump on a plane and make the dash.
Love you, Max. Thank God for the time we got together.